From this method, I made more than $1,200 in less than 5 minutes of work. This is 100% free, and also this method works all around the world. So here's what I'm doing to show you in this video. Number 1, I'll show you step-by-step method to make over $1,200 in less than 5 minutes of work. Number 2, somewhere in this video, I will show you a free tool, and that tool will do all the work for us. We don't want to do anything at all. Then this is the first step. In the first step, what you want to do is go over to this website, which is called brandcrowd.com. Some of you guys may know what is this website, and if you don't know, this is a platform that we can make money by selling logos. But don't worry, we don't need any logo design skills for this method. We don't need any kind of skills for this because, as I said before, that free tool will do all the work for us. From that tool, we can create a logo within 2 minutes. Because of that, don't worry about anything at all. These are some logos that people uploaded to this website from that tool. We can design these kinds of logos so easily. Take a look at this. This is just an icon in the background, and the price of this simple logo is $100. Yep guys, $100. We can make a lots of money from this method. So many people are making a full-time income by selling logos on BrandCrowd. As you saw before, we can make hundreds or even thousands of dollars from just one logo that we sell. All you want to do is upload logos, as many as you can, because the more you upload, the more you will earn. The best part about this BrandCrowd is we don't even want to promote our logo because this website does the promotion for us. BrandCrowd will show our logo to thousands of people who are coming to this website, and that is super amazing. So now I want you guys to take a look at this. This is step 1, and step 1, we want to upload our design to this website, and it's simple process. Then step 2, sell designs. As I said before, this website will sell all our logos for us. Because of that, we don't want to do anything in the second step. This is the last step and the best step. This is make money. Then let's go to the second step. In this step, I'm going to show you how to create an account on this website. This is actually so easy and also 100% free. First of all, click get started now. Then you will be taken to this page. First, enter your email address, then create a strong password. After that, make sure to choose I'm a designer and then enter a display name. Once you have done all those things, click join now. To create your account, it is as simple as that. Once we created our account, we can make money by selling logos on brandcrowd.com. Now what we want to do is create a logo from that free tool, and then we just want to upload that to this website. It's just that simple. And once again, we don't need any skills or experience for this. This is a beginner friendly method to make a huge money online. So now I'm going to show you the free tool that we can create logos so easily. But before I show you that, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to watch our latest Make Money Online videos just like this, and also smash the like button. If you love making money online, then let's get back to this video. So this is the free tool that we can design logos easily, and the name of this tool is canva.com. Once again, this is canva.com. I'm sure all of you guys may know what Canva is, but if you don't know, this is a tool that we can create designs easily. From this, we can create logos, thumbnails, Instagram posts, and more and more. But today we're going to create a logo from this tool. So how to create a logo easily? First of all, search logo in the search bar. Then take a look at this, guys. There are so many logos that we can customize for absolutely free. Those all logos are high quality and professional logos. One of the things that I like about Canva is they already designed the logo for us. We just want to customize it. What we want to do is change the text and change some colors if we want to. Another thing that I like about Canva is we can create any kind of logo from this tool. We can create gaming logos, cooking logos, business logos, and many more. Literally, we can create any kind of logo. How amazing is that, guys? Now, we want to choose a logo to customize. We can choose any of these logos. As an example, I'm going to choose this logo right here. Now, we can customize our logo so easily and for free. First of all, I'm going to change the text of this logo. To change that, what you want to do is double click on the text, and then you can change the text color, size, and other stuffs as well. We can add stickers and our own images too, but I'm not recommending you to add stickers and other stuffs because they already created a professional logo for us. If we add stickers and our own images to this logo, this will be a less professional. Because of that, I'm recommending you guys to don't add new stuff to this logo. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the background color of this. Double click the background, then we can change the color. After that, I'm going to change the colors of that icon. To do that, double click the icon, then you can change the colors. And the size of the icon. As you saw, it is so easy to create a logo from this free tool. It didn't even take 5 minutes to create this amazing logo. Once again, it is so easy to create logos on canva.com. Once you customize the logo, click download to download your logo for free and without any watermark. Now, we just want to come back to this brandcrowd.com and then we want to upload that logo to this website. Then it's all done, guys. Just like that. We want to upload logos as many as we can. As I say before, the more you upload, the more you will earn. That is a method. If you're watching this video until now, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification. Thank you.